In today's industrial landscape, sustainability is more than just a concept, it's a shared responsibility. Reduce your CO2 emissions and improve workforce safety today. With yard management solutions, you'll have the power to optimize move management, enhance yard visibility, maximize space utilization, and ensure safe equipment. Traditional operations meant unnecessary moves across the facility, consuming fuel and increasing emissions. With yard management solutions, you can say goodbye to unnecessary travel distances and hello to space utilization. Upon arrival at the gate, trailers are directed to the spot closest to their dock door, strategically minimizing the distance drivers need to move trailers within the yard. Without YMS visibility, drivers spend excessive time and emissions searching the entire yard for a single trailer, not knowing the exact location or even if it's on the yard. With yard management solutions' real-time visibility, drivers know exactly where every trailer is located in the yard. Our system guides drivers directly to the trailer's location, significantly reducing emissions by eliminating aimless driving in search of trailers. Without yard management solutions, drivers are often assigned moves on the opposite side of the facility, resulting in unnecessary fuel consumption. With YMS, when a move is created, it's assigned to the nearest driver using GPS technology, minimizing the distance traveled between moves, ensuring efficiency, and reducing emissions. This isn't just about saving time, it's about reducing carbon footprints and creating a more sustainable operation. But what's the real-world impact of these features? These features mean drivers cover less distance and make fewer moves each day, while increasing productivity. The result is a significant drop in CO2 emissions and a finely optimized yard. Don't just take our word for it, hear from industry leaders who've experienced remarkable changes. Workforce safety is a cornerstone of supply chain sustainability. Reduce the risk of injuries with yard management solutions. According to OSHA, 25% of all warehouse accidents occur at the loading dock. Our cutting-edge dock safety features revolutionize the way trailers are handled at the loading dock, preventing accidents and keeping your workforce safe. With YMS dock safety features, the loading or unloading process cannot start until it's confirmed that the trailer is securely locked into the dock door. This simple yet effective measure prevents injuries caused by trailer creeps and early departures. YMS does not allow move requests for trailers that are loading and unloading, and eliminates miscommunication by providing clear move request visibility to drivers. These features help prevent the movement of trailers that are in the process of loading or unloading. But safety doesn't stop at the dock. YMS keeps your workforce safe by preventing injuries from damaged equipment. Our system offers visibility into the condition of all yard equipment and sends alerts when equipment is damaged, needs an inspection, or requires preventative maintenance. This proactive approach allows for efficient maintenance, reducing equipment downtime and the use of damaged equipment. YMS color codes equipment on all visibility modules. Trailers needing a safety check flash red. Equipment requiring preventative maintenance flash orange. Equipment needing a DOT inspection flash pink. Damaged equipment are marked with yellow and black stripes. Move requests simply cannot be made for equipment with substantial damage. This visibility prevents the use of unsafe equipment, resulting in less injuries. With yard management solutions, you're not just improving efficiency, you're investing in the safety of your supply chain. Keep your workforce safe, reduce injuries, and enhance sustainability with YMS.